In this lecture, we are going to see the Netstat command. Netstat stands for Network and Statistics, which is a program that's controlled via commands issued in the command line. It delivers basic statistics on all network activities and informs users on which ports and addresses the corresponding connections, that is TCP and UDP, are running. And also it displays which ports are open for tasks. So in the Windows command prompt, type netstat and press enter. So using the netstat command, it displays the current connections. You can see the first column stands for the protocol, the second the IP address, local address, the third foreign address, and last whether connection is established or not. Now the first you can see in the local address field 127.0.0.1:535 Now we have seen this is the address for ports, wherein IP address IP address colon and port number is specified, which stands for the entire port address. Now there are various commands also associated with netstat. We'll see one by one. So type netstat-a, which displays all the connections. So you can see all the TCP connections are displayed. Some of the states are listening, that means the connection is not still established. Now the next is netstat-f. Okay, in the previous command, that is netstat.a, we can also see the two protocols, TCP and UDP. TCP as well as UDP is used. So next move on to the next command, netstat.f. So netstat.f shows the foreign qualified domain names for foreign addresses. You can see the Amazon AWS.com is the foreign address which has been established in a connection. But for other examples like I can see that acomaniattack.technologies.com, it was time wait and the connection didn't establish properly. So basically FQDN stands for foreign qualified domain names, which are PC tries to connect with foreign addresses. The next one is netstat-n, which shows the numbers, NOT names and corresponding process IDs. So you can see the -n commands has shown the numbers and not names. So 127.0.0.1, you can see here the first PSPPC, which is the name of the process or name of the address, but in -n it has shown number, that is the IP address. The fields are same, but here numbers are shown and not names. And the final command is netstat-o, which shows the corresponding process IDs. So you can see the process ID, that is PID field, is a unique field given to every process that runs in your operating system. So for the first TCP 127.0.1, port number is 5354, foreign address is PSP-PC, here names are shown and the state is established, and the process ID is 4164. So in this lecture we have seen about netstat. I hope you'll try all these commands on your machine.